Andrew Holness living his best life at the National Stadium.
Yeah. 876. Represent the place. Hands are furious. Flags are furious. Lighters. People from all over welcome always. Jamaica, Jamaica. Oh my reggae nice and it make ya. And me I tell you we no love the creator. No matter what them want say, the little island you still a get greater.
Give it to you. Give it to you. I want to get it. Don't forget me. Give me an Alcy Archery. Alcy Archery. I'm
Shop 27 space.
Yeah. Take off your green and me a give you orange. Where camera?
Yeah.
Take off the green and me a give you orange. Me no strike it. Me no.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. You don't know, blessed morning. Hope everybody is in good spirit. Hope everybody is doing well. See? So this morning, you don't know me, I go on the work. So me just say me I go stop by for a little bit. Because I go ride and whistle. Because I go to work right now. And I just want to check in with my viewers and my subscribers. You don't know. Big up every 9 to 5 worker. Big up everybody where make a honest living. Seeing? Big up everybody where get an exercise routine and take care of your body. Do what you have to do. Seeing? Right now me have some porridge in this right now. I go beat in the morning and some carrot and peanut and all of them something there. Seeing? So just know say everything good. But anyway, me and two of my co-workers, them have a nice little healthy back and forth conversations about, you know, Mark Golding and Andrew Holness. See? So, you don't know. This topic is about who you think people like more, Mark Golding or Andrew Holness. Who is more likable? Who is more of a people person? Who Jamaica prefer personally? You know me I say, take out even the government part of it, out of it. People, because some people don't care about policies and all of this economy and work, and some people don't care about that. They only want to know, say, me see Mark Golding and me like him. And me see Andrew Holness and me like him. Some people just care about that. Some people vote primarily off of liking. Me, policy and results me want personally. So we are going to ride and whistle and make you know what me and my co-worker them reason about. And it based off of one video what me do the other day. So we are going to post the little clip there and make you understand where me I come from. So listen to the clip and I am going to tell you exactly what me I talk about. Because when them talk about economy, especially Andrew Holness, when them talk about economy, and them say, oh, economy are going good and this are going good and job increase and everything. Bro, you ever go talk to the regular person on the roadside, the regular person in the market, the regular person who have 2-3 pitney, I go to school? You ever talk to them people and ask them about economy? Ask them about economy and then now come back, come talk to it. Them no feel no change in no economic growth, nothing at all. Because school fee raise, grocery raise, taxi fare raise, and then pay no raise.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
So how the hell them feel good economy when them pay no raise but everything else raise? That don't make no sense, yo. That is just tricking the people. But people now think them only go for the excitement and the hype. We don't know when Jamaican people are going to learn. Alright, I'm going to ride and whistle right now. Because I'm going to work. Alright. So anyway, I call two names. Because I'm a friend them, I'm a co-worker them. Tracy, big up yourself. You know you're my sister for life. Seeing one of the most humble and one of the nicest person you can ever meet. Remember me tell her she's more like a sister figure to me. You know me I say, but we are co-worker for years. Almost 10 years now. So a long time we have come. Yeah man, so Tracy, big up yourself. But I can tell you this, Tracy is a born labourite. I may call her out. I know she watch this video. Tracy a labourite, straight. If you cut Tracy right now, a green come out of her, not red.
You serious?
Not red. That's how she love it. She love labourite. She love it because her family them, you know, see the side of thing there. And that's okay. Everybody have their own party. Everybody have their own likings. There's no problem with that. See? I'm going to talk about the next co-worker. Bob. Big up yourself, you know, because I know y'all watch this. I know y'all laugh right now because you know we talked about this yesterday. And I say me have to come address it a little bit. Because we have a healthy conversation yesterday. Objectively. See? So you know say boy, we no fool. We are going to fight and quarrel. No. And I like it because I post a video and Bob come in a workplace and say, yo, because I and Tracy working at the same workplace. Me's a barber, she's a beautician. So Bob come and say, yo big voice, wow. I say, yeah man, I'm there man. But Bob basically I say, yo, you know me don't like how you talk about my boss though. You see? So me I say, what you mean? Talk to me. Bob say, yo, you know, so me taking the video yesterday and we are talking about the economy and the work and everything. Tracy now jump in because she and Bob are labourite. But me, independent. Me and no PNP are labourite. But to me talk now, they maybe think that me like PNP better. No. Me is right in the middle. And me talk about that, me not afraid to talk. Anytime me a vote, me I gonna make you know who me vote for. Me not afraid. See? Even though my family them, most of them are PNP. But me and my sister always in the middle. Who will help we? That are who me I go vote for. See? So long and short, Bob said, boy, I never like when you talk about my boss, you know, boss. And Ray. And Tay. So me I say, alright, Bob. Tell me what you don't like when I talk about. Make we talk about it. What you don't like? I said, boy, whole heap of things, man, you talk, man, and the economy and work and them things there, and them things they gone up, them things the percentage gone up. So I say, okay, Bob. There's a reason with you. You see, the regular person no care about no percentage. If, say for instance then, the percentage, work percentage gone up from 20% to 23%. The regular person don't know none of that. The regular person don't care about that. Because him no feel that significant. Him no feel it. Me as a regular person, me I talk about the 9-to-5 worker, regular, average, day-to-day Jamaicans. That are who me I talk about. Who me I represent. See? So me and Baba reason and, you know, and Tracy same way I talk about the economy and the economy are going good and everything. So me say, yeah, percentage wise, and the elites, I go feel it. But the regular person, Mars Joe around there so, and Miss going around there so, them don't know, them don't feel no economy, nothing. Them just know say when them going at the wholesale, when them go to the supermarket, when them pitting the school fee for pay, when them light bill for pay, everything gone up. I know Andrew Holness caused that, but him are the Prime Minister. So him go held accountable. We have to hold him accountable for anything we are going pertaining to Jamaica. Objectively, unbiased. I just saw it go. So me have a reason, I say, yeah man, you don't say I have a point, I have a reason. I say, yo, not like you wrong about what you are saying now. But Andrew Holness and the economic are going good and whatever. Not like you're wrong. But the regular person don't feel what you say or what Andrew Holness say. And he must say, you know, say, boy, when we come from out of east, him say, out of St. Thomas, Labourite going good out there and the place nice and the place fixed up and he no want that to change. Me love that. And me no blame him neither. Me no blame Bob and Tracy Because labor right do what them fi do enough for them constituency. Where me come from, a Clarendon, if me no buy water, if my woman no buy water, if my mother no buy water, them can't bathe, them can't cook. None at all. Which part me come from? And anybody who watch this, no say no lie me I tell. So, as me always say, not because my belly full and you hungry. When me sit down with my belly full and now ball, cause my belly full. But when you hungry, and you tell a man say, yo, me hungry, no brethren, and you get bitter and vile, a man, me will tell you say, no, go sit down. See? Because my belly full and you hungry, you know fi talk. No, if you're hungry, you need to talk. So the same thing. If labor right deal with your constituency good, go ahead and vote for them. That's all you have to do because of them help you. Me can't say that. See? So any party I go help my community buy a bigger pump or whatever we can get the water up in my area and fix the road them and fix the lighting condition, then me can say yes. If a PNP do it, a PNP me a vote for. If a Labour right do it, a Labour right me a vote for. That's all me I say. And again, everybody is not going to be satisfied, but you have to understand, say, yo, who feels it, knows it. When you get water, so till you don't know what to do with water, but me have to buy water, how the hell me fi sit down and say everything good, everything can good? That's all me I say. So, we come to an agreement and me not try to change them, because them love who them love, and me I go vote for who me think are the right one. See? So right now, we are go on the road, and guess what? The good thing about it, we talk, we no fight, we no cuss, we are friends same way. Because we exercise, go at the gym, we come and work, we do everything same way, normal. That's what people with sense do. We reason and know say I saw it go. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. We get back to you later. Big Voice Radio in the building. Big up on yourself. One love. See? Alright.
Rubio, given changes to U.S. immigration policies, there are some Jamaicans who are afraid to travel back to Jamaica, even though they are legitimate green card holders. What assurances can you give to those individuals that they will have no difficulty returning to the United States?
If you're a green card holder, you're not illegally in the United States. If you're a green card holder, you are legally in the United States. What the president has said, and I don't know how anybody can disagree with this, every country in the world has immigration laws. And immigration laws, if you don't enforce them, you don't have immigration laws. Over the last few years, we've had, 13, 14, 15 million people enter the United States unlawfully and irregularly. No country in the world can assume that. By the way, that's not unique to us, right? Even here in Jamaica, you've faced challenges of migration. And it's not that we don't sympathize with people that are leaving difficult circumstances, it's that no society can absorb mass migration from anywhere in the world. You just can't do it. And we're facing that challenge. That's not specific to Jamaica, I'm just speaking in general. And so the president is doing something that frankly hasn't been done in a long time. He's enforcing our immigration laws, and that's what we're doing. So if you're a green card holder, you're not illegally in the United States. I think the challenges for those who are illegally in the United States, we have to have immigration laws. They have to be followed. I mean, I don't know why that's an unreasonable demand. And frankly, I mean, Jamaica is not a major source of illegal migration, to be frank. It's not even in the top 10 or top 20, for that matter, I don't think. But that said, we are enforcing our immigration laws, because here's what happens if you don't. You'll get another 12 million people. And if tomorrow Jamaica announced anybody who wants to come can come in, you're going to get a lot of people too, and you know it's going to be very disruptive. So we need to have immigration laws, and we need to enforce them, and that's what we are. That's what the president is doing. That's what he promised voters he would do, and that's what we're going to continue to do. But if you're a green card holder, you're legally in the United States, unless, and I say this because a lot of these people come, unless you're some student visa holder who's a sympathizer of some terrorist organization and is running around in our streets like a lunatic, burning down buildings and attacking students at universities. If you're one of these lunatics that's going to put on a mask over your face and break into a student union center and harass students, and we wouldn't have let you in the first place. If you had told us that, if you told us, I'm going to America not just to study at your university, but to tear up your campus, we would have never let you in. And if you do that, once you come into the United States, we're going to kick you out. We're going to do that. And I don't care what terrorist organization they're supporting, we're going to kick you out. If you're a gang member, we're going to kick you out. Okay? If you're one of these violent gang members that's coming to the United States, then we're going to kick you out. That we're going to do. There's no doubt about it. But the president's very committed to that. And but if you're a green card holder and you're not any of these things, you're going to be fine.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.